So what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to do a hip carry challenge. So with Arman, Janjan, and Rimar. So we're going to bring a pail of water and we're going to do hip carry. So without further ado, let's go! How it's on? One, likod, anak. Kaya nagpaldi. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. This challenge guys is for the mothers out there. Like the mothers carrying their children. Okay. This challenge is very good for your knees and your legs. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Yay! No pain guys because this is try mong wait.
50 ka pa? Ay, 49.
40?
49. Huwag ginanay, gulin niyo, watay. Baba, gulin niyo ha? Si Kuya, si Kuya.
Okay.
Okay.
Patay yung bigyan na yun.
Dili ko uno.
Oh, may dagi ay pabitay mo.
Dili ko ginanay. Kung ginanay, ang tunay lang, matay mo kiksak ko.
Ilaw samput oy. May ka may samput ano eh.
Ikaw ka to.
59.
Kasi 59.
Oh, hindi na kaya guys.
Oh, wala.
Wala. Ako, babar ako ha.
Tingog bugtong.
Let's go!
Hala, basa.
Bukas kayo.
Bugat.
Ay, bukat na gaano kay ko. That may tutak eh. Rolling action. Eh, mana?
Bugat mo na eh.
Kaya ka step na.
Pire, timbang mo ya. Bugat. 20. Ya. Go.
Come on, let's go. Wala nagkakon. Pan ba nang sakto.
Yaw. Mau gani na ko, Joel.
Kadaog dito.
Gani ha. Mau gani.
Yay, come on. Okay, Janjan made it. Very strong.
Oy, gamay ra mga tubig na oh. Maruya oy.
Bukat kayo ya.
Tigpas ano ka, oy.
Ayaw ang gani.
Yaswat, yaswat.
Agay.
Wala, oy.
Bayad ng paro na. Agay.
Oy, bala naman kagi.
Puro lang.
Uno. Oy.
Diyos.
Oy. Tara Jud. Tara Jud.
Agay. Alapas na siya yung Bro Joel, no? Ari na kaya ya.
Oy, kata isa pa.
So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. So the winner is Janjan. Then me is the second. And third is Arman. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button for more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And see you for the next video. Bye bye.